Snoring is a problem that's prevalent all over the world. The present statistics show that about 4 to 6% of the world's population suffer from snoring. But it's not the snoring that is the hazard to a person's health. It is the resultant oxygen depletion in the body that comes in because of airway obstruction. Because snoring only denotes an airway obstruction anywhere from the nose, throat or the tongue level. When this oxygen saturation falls for a long time, the patient then develops a lot of problems like diabetes, increased blood pressure or hypertension, increased chances of heart attacks, especially early morning heart attacks, even stroke. So such a patient should definitely try to get some cure for this problem. And cure for snoring is readily available nowadays. Earlier, surgical techniques were not considered for snoring because of the dangers of surgery. With all the new instruments and techniques that are available now, surgery can be attempted for snoring and a permanent cure can be obtained for snoring. The hazards of surgery have now greatly diminished and risks are almost negligible for a patient who undergoes snoring surgeries. So, why should people go in for the hazards and consequences and the health hazards of snoring when they can readily find cure for this problem?